Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story restyle something went wrong problem. Okay, now solve this problem. First of all, tap and hold Instagram. Click on this. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. And click on clear data. Click on delete. Now back. Click on permissions. Now allow your all permissions. Now back to your home screen and go to your Play Store. Check update your Instagram. Search for Instagram. Click on this. You can see your Instagram is already updated. Now back to your home screen and go to your Instagram. Click on this. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.